The Philippines is a nation renowned for its breathtaking islands. Yet, even amidst this tropical tapestry, there lies a hidden gem, Balabac Island. Nestled in the Palawan province, Balabac is an unspoiled paradise where time seems to slow down and nature reigns supreme. Imagine pristine white sand beaches kissed by crystal-clear turquoise waters, their edges fringed by verdant jungles teeming with life. Towering limestone cliffs rise majestically from the sea, their porous faces carved over millennia by wind and water. Hidden coves and lagoons beckon, promising secluded moments of tranquility. Beneath the surface, a kaleidoscope of marine life dances amidst vibrant coral reefs, inviting you to explore an underwater wonderland. Far from the bustling tourist crowds, Balabac offers a rare glimpse into a world untouched by mass tourism. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the island, the sky explodes in a riot of colours. In this moment, you'll realise that Balabac is more than just a destination. It's an experience, a journey into the heart of unspoiled paradise. Reaching Balabac is an adventure in itself, a testament to its secluded nature. The most common route involves a flight to Puerto Princesa, the capital of Palawan, followed by a combination of buses and boats. The journey may be long, but it offers glimpses into the local life and culture, adding to the overall experience. The roads leading to the port are often bumpy and unpaved, a far cry from the smooth highways of urban life. The bus rides, though lengthy, provide ample opportunity to interact with friendly locals. Their warm smiles and welcoming nature are testament to the renowned Filipino hospitality. Arriving at the port, you'll be greeted by the sight of traditional Filipino boats, known as bangkas, bobbing gently in the water. These colourful and often intricately decorated vessels will be your chariot to Balabac. The boat ride itself is an adventure, as you navigate through turquoise waters, passing by uninhabited islands and sandbars that appear like mirages on the horizon. As you approach Balabac, the first sight of its towering limestone cliffs and emerald green jungles emerging from the sea is nothing short of breathtaking. The challenges of reaching Balabac fade into insignificance compared to the reward that awaits, the chance to experience a slice of paradise untouched by time. One of the most enchanting aspects of Balabac is the opportunity to embark on island-hopping adventures. Surrounding the main island are numerous smaller islands, each possessing its own unique charm. Among these, Onuk and Candaraman Islands stand out as must-visit destinations. Onuk Island is a vision of tranquility, a tiny jewel of an island with powdery white sand beaches and azure waters that beckon you to take a dip. Schools of vibrant fish weave through intricate coral formations, while sea turtles glide gracefully in the distance. Snorkeling in Onuk is an unforgettable experience, allowing you to immerse yourself in the vibrant marine life that calls this underwater paradise home. Candaraman Island, on the other hand, is an adventure seeker's paradise. Its rugged limestone cliffs, carved by centuries of wind and water, create a dramatic landscape that is both awe-inspiring and exhilarating. Hidden within these cliffs are secret lagoons and caves, waiting to be explored. As you emerge from the caves back into the sunlight, you'll carry with you a sense of wonder and a newfound appreciation for the hidden treasures that lie beneath the surface of this magical island. While exploring Balabac's islands and immersing oneself in its natural wonders is an experience in itself, there's a certain magic to witnessing its beauty from a different perspective, from the air. Imagine soaring above the azure waters, the islands spread out beneath you like emeralds scattered across a turquoise canvas. The view is simply breathtaking, a tapestry of colours and textures that showcases the raw, untamed beauty of this hidden paradise. From above, you can truly appreciate the scale and grandeur of Balabac's natural wonders. The intricate network of islands, each with its own unique shape and character, reveals itself like a secret map. The crystal-clear waters, varying shades of blue and green, showcase the vibrant coral reefs and sandbars that lie beneath the surface. As you fly over secluded beaches, you might catch a glimpse of sea turtles gliding through the shallows, or rays gracefully leaping from the water. The sight of these marine creatures in their natural habitat, undisturbed by human presence, is a reminder of the pristine nature of this paradise. The aerial perspective also allows you to fully grasp the remoteness of Balabac. As you descend back towards the islands, the memories of this breathtaking aerial view will forever be etched in your mind, a reminder of the unparalleled beauty that awaits those who seek out the hidden corners of our planet.